I stopped guessing with AI and everything changed faster than expected. For one full day, I used a structured system for every task. No random prompts, no improvisation, no trying different variations every time. And the difference became obvious within the first few hours. This is exactly what happened during that test. Before this, my results were inconsistent and often frustrating to use. Sometimes AI worked well, but most times it felt unpredictable and random. I spent more time fixing outputs than actually using them productively. It looked efficient on the surface, but it was slowing me down. That is the hidden problem most people never notice. So I changed one thing and I kept everything else the same. I stopped thinking in prompts and started thinking in systems instead. Every request followed a fixed structure, without exceptions or shortcuts. Context, objective, constraints, process, and output format defined everything. No guessing, no missing pieces, no unclear instructions. The first thing I noticed was a huge reduction in mental effort. I was not deciding what to ask at every single step anymore. Everything was already defined before I even opened the tool. That removed friction and made the workflow much smoother. Less thinking during execution, more clarity from the start. The second change was the quality of the outputs I received. Results became more focused, more relevant, and immediately usable. I no longer had to rewrite or heavily edit every response. Most outputs were already aligned with what I actually needed. That alone saved a significant amount of time. The third change was consistency across completely different tasks. No more random quality between one request and the next. Everything followed the same logic regardless of the task. That made the entire workflow reliable and repeatable. And that is where real productivity actually begins. Let me show you a simple example from that same day. I needed ideas for a YouTube video about AI productivity. Before, I would type a vague request and hope for something useful. And most results were generic, repetitive, and not worth using. That is exactly what most people experience every day. This time, I applied the system step by step without skipping anything. Context, faceless YouTube channel focused on AI productivity content. Objective, generate 3 strong video ideas with high click potential. Constraints, avoid generic topics and overused or obvious titles. Process, focus on tension, problem, and curiosity in each idea. Then I defined the output format clearly before generating anything. 3 ideas, each with title and 1 short explanation. No extra text, no unnecessary expansion, no irrelevant information. The result was immediate and clearly different from before. The ideas were sharper, specific, and ready to use instantly. This is when something became very clear to me. AI is not about asking better questions again and again. It is about removing randomness from the entire process. When you remove randomness, results become predictable and consistent. And predictable results are what actually save time. Most people think AI will do the thinking for them automatically. But that is exactly where the problem begins to appear. AI amplifies your thinking, it does not replace it completely. If your thinking is unclear, your output will stay unclear too. If your thinking is structured, everything becomes more precise. After just one day, the difference was impossible to ignore anymore. Less stress, fewer corrections, and far more usable results overall. I was not working harder, I was working with clear direction. And that is what made everything feel faster and easier. This is the real advantage of using AI the right way. So if your results feel random or inconsistent right now, do not look for better prompts or new tools to fix it. Look at your structure before you even start using AI, because your system defines the results you will get. And once you fix that, everything starts to change.